Hello everyone, this is Manjay Kumar from IIT Durgapur, Department of Civil Engineering. Today I am going to discuss a topic called differential equation. Actually differential equation को जानने से पहले हम लोग ये जानेंगे से इक्वेशन क्या होता है. इक्वेशन 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 is a mathematical expression statement where two expressions are equal. Simply, equation is a mathematical expression statement where two expressions are equal. Let's an example. 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. This is an equation in linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Second, 2x plus something 3y is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. And in the similar basis, you see x square is equal to 2x plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. In the similar basis, you find the so many equations called quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation, and now we will know what is the differential equation. Differential equation is a equation. Differential equation is a equation which involves derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Let's see with an example. dy by dx is equal to 0 or d square by dx square plus y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation and this is also a differential equation in which y is equal to dependent variable independent variable and x is equal to independent. To explain this, let's say with the example. This is the coordinate axis, this is the origin, this is the y axis, x axis, and this is the y axis. And generally on the x axis we take tan coordinate, which is the dependent variable, independent variable, and x is equal to something left, y is equal to x square. Here y is equal to independent variable which mainly depend on x. So moving forward, types of the we see types of differential equation. Differential equations are mainly two types. One is OD, ordinary differential equation, ordinary differential equations, and second is PD, partial differential equation. Now we see what is the partial differential, ordinary differential equation, OD. See OD. When differential equation involves derivatives of dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable, then we say this is the ordinary differential equation. And when the dependent variable, when the when the differential equation involves derivative of dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable, then we say this is the partial derivation. Let's see firstly ordinary differential equation. With example, dy by dx is equal to dy dx plus y is equal to 0. Here we see the y is equal y is the dependent variable with respect to only x, the independent variable. So this is the ODE. Next see ED, partial differential equation. We see is let the function dy by dx plus dy by dt is equal to 0. Here you see the function y is the dependent on x, and here also y is dependent on y. So this is not ODE. This is not ODE. This is not ODE. Next is PD. Partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. Let a function f y z. Let a function which is dependent on x y z. How to find PD? When finding the partial differential equation, we differentiate the function with respect to one variable taking other variable as a constant. Let famous equation Laplace del square f बट्टा del x square plus del square f बट्टा del y square plus del square f बट्टा del z square is equal to 0. Here you see the function f is the partial derivative with respect to x square, y square and z square. So this function dependent on three variables x, y, z. So this is the partial derivation, but this is not in our syllabus. So we only focus here ODE. Moving forward, we check order of the differential equation. Before moving forward, we check notation of differential equation. Simply dy by ds is equal to y dash, d square y dx square is equal to y double dash, and dy बटा dx cube is equal to y double triple dash. When the number is more than 3, then let the dn power y बटा dx power n is equal to, when we write this is getting the large number, so we only this is written also in the term y1. So y dy by dx also written y1, and d2 d square by dx square also written in the y2 in the similar way. Going forward, we check what is the order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation is order of highest derivative present in the differential equation. Order of differential equation. Highest derivative. Order of highest derivative. Order of highest derivative. Let's see example. dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. dx square y dx square plus y dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx plus sin dy by dx is equal to 0. Here you see the this is the only one dy dx is the power 1, so this order is equal to 1, and here is the derivative in the power 2, second degree derivatives in the order is equal to 2, and here you see, let's say this is the cubic equation, cubic derivative, then the order is equal to 3. Moving forward, we check degree of differential equation. To check the degree of differential equation is very hard. So to know the function, for finding the degree of the differential equation, it should be the differential equation should be in derivative in polynomial. The differential equation should be in polynomial in derivative. The differential equation should be in the polynomial in derivative. And what is the polynomial? Polynomial is a polynomial is an expression which consists of variables, coefficients, and involving by addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and non-negative integral exponent. Let's example 2x plus y is equal to 0. This is the polynomial equation. Here you see the 2x plus y is equal involving by addition, and when x root plus y is equal to 0, this is not polynomial because here you see this power is a non-integral exponent, so this is a non. Thank you.